my phone and I've been thinking like iPhones is cool. iPhones are cool, but like I'm literally done with this shit.
Can you say what's up, Cyrus, please?
I now have a new phone. Yo, Tristan! Hold on, I gotta take a picture of that right there. Hold on.
Love you, Kai, best streamer if all time.
Let me get a picture of that right there, hold on. So chat, somebody's calling me. What the f? I swear to God, this has to be my assistant. It has to be my assistant, on God. It has to be my assistant, because she the one that got it. I don't know what the f, I swear to God. Hello?
This K-Dog.
Who?
You still got product.
What?
Nigga, this is K-Dog. You still got that product.
Oh, this is Chris.
Nigga, this...
Did my assistant give me my... What the f with that nigga? This fucking talking about some K-Dog. That's literally... Yo, let me call that back. Yo, you know what? You know what I'm gonna do, bro? I'm about to call my old Jones from this phone. Nah, cause I've always wanted to hang up on a bitch. Hold on, no. Nah, I always wanted to hang up on a that. Yo, chat, I'm doing that, bro. I'm doing that. I'm going for the first number I see. I see straight niggas on my shit right now. Straight niggas, oh my f***ing God. Okay, I see somebody. What's up?
Who's this?
Oh, so now you act like you don't know who this is now? Nah, come on, don't do that. Don't act like you don't know who this is now. Yo, what the f? Why she hung up? Nah, I'm calling your back. You ain't going nowhere. Oh, f use this shit. Nah. Yo ain't going nowhere. Is that number wrong? Come on. Damn! No, Tristan! We call somebody else. We call my friends.
Kylier.
Hold on. How about I go to the home screen? Yo, how I go to the home screen? Wait, what's the correct way to really... Yeah, like... Yeah. I'm gonna call the big drop.
You.
Hold on. Where the big drop at? Where the big drop at? I'm gonna call the big drop.
Sub up.
Where the big drop at?
I'm sorry, the person you were trying to reach hasn't...
Come on, bro. Can I call you later? Oh, shit. He said, can I call you later? That said, can I call you later? Hold on, let's see. That a freak. Okay, wait, hold on. How do I text? How do I text? Oh, yeah. I'm gonna say, chat, I'm gonna say, boy, don't play with me. How I do that? How about I type on this? I just typed in, like, boy. I don't care. You feel what I'm saying? Yep. You feel what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? My mom calling me.
Can you get one of her Discord mods to unban me FRM your server?
Hello?
I got banned for no reason.
I got a new number. I'm gonna call you my new number. New number, new me. Okay, come on. Tristan! Yes, my new number. What's going on, my dukes? Yo, Reckons and Tristan with the 5 gift appreciated. What's going on, my dukes? Yeah.
I just wanted to call you and tell you when we come back.
Oh, you came back?
Yeah, I just wanted to tell the mafia.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You just practice your hand up on
I just lost connection. I lost connection.
No, you practice. I saw you slammed it down, yo.
Nah. What's up?
Yo, so I just want to tell you, right? Wait, let me just finish shout you out. I want to shout out my son tonight, right?
Okay.
So, chat, y'all pay attention, right? So, you remember the last time when I was leaving to go to Jamaica? I was like, Kai, do me something. Make sure you know you give me a little spending money.
Yeah.
And everybody went crazy. They were like,
Okay, I'm done. Tristan, what another 5 gifted. Appreciate it, Gango. Tristan, I'm done.
Can you hung up on me?
Huh?
Can you hung up on me for the world to see?
Nah.
Kai, you practicing your hang up on me, Kai, all that everybody that you was all going down the list in your contact and to practice your thing on and all that everybody you wanna come and practice your little thing on me?
Nah, I was joking.
Don't let me come to the phone, but let me just
Yo, Killer Lizard with the 5 gift, appreciate it. Yeah, okay, I'm done playing.
Appreciate it, yo.
I'm done playing.
Who that? Tristan again?
Huh?
Who that was a 5 gift?
Nah, that's Killer Lizard.
What lizard? Kai, where's little Cenat? Did you kill her?
No, she's in her
I
cage.
can't see her. Like, I find you hiding her.
SS with the 5 gifted, appreciate it, SS. Him up north with the 5 gifted again. God damn.
God damn.
Damn.
Oh my God.
Damn.
They didn't want me then. How you say?
That day they didn't want me, now look, they all on me, on God.
Yeah. They didn't want me then. Now look, they all up on me now. God, listen, right. So this is what I want to say, right? You know I gotta shout out Marcia before I go, because I know you gotta do your thing.
But Showski.
Kai, don't stay up long, because you know tomorrow you coming out all out.
Boys night.
Kai.
Yeah.
You know the midget lady, the Trini midget lady that you have in your video?
Yo, Ma.
Yes.
We both from the Bronx. Till I know that you dirty.
What? You talk too fast here.
We both from the Bronx. So I know that you dirty.
I'm not a sub, yo. How I'm getting this number, yo? What's your other number? This number is for your subs, right?
Yeah, no, but it's my new phone though.
So this is your new phone, this little flip thing here? You giving up Apple for real?
That nigga a munch.
No, hold up.
Yo, you ain't hold on, Ma!
And they won.
Ma!
The show was in DR.
Wait, I'm sorry to cut you off. You just reminded me. So, Ma!
What?
Who's the queen?
Who's the queen?
Yeah.
Queen Elizabeth.
No, who's the other queen?
Me?
Yeah, but who's the other queen?
Grandma.
What is high? What is it in his eye? You know what I'm saying? Who's the queen?
Oh my God, like, I just gave you 4 of them. Who else again you want? Oh, how could I hear it? I can feel it, I can ride it, I can feel it.
Yo! Okay, alright, relax. Wait, God, okay, Ma, stop. Wait, okay, that's weird. I don't want to hear that.
Okay, but that's the thing you're talking about?
Yes. I'm gonna have a migraine.
Yo, I saw you.
Okay, look though, guess what?
Okay, what?
The queen liked a post that had something to do with me on Twitter.
The queen?
She see my reaction.
When?
From yesterday.
You liar.
Yup, the queen. F-R-E-A-K.
Wait. She put it in her Twitter?
No, she just liked it. If you go to her likes, she liked the post where it says, Cenat played Nicki Minaj's Super Freaky Girl music video on his Twitch live to over 60,000 viewers. The queen with a tie, with a dick in his eye.
Right, can you please, how you call it, screenshot that and send it to me?
Yeah.
No, right now. If you don't do it right now, I'm gonna be waiting.
Okay, damn. I bet it's the queen, like, damn, the
No,
queen.
not only that, like, I was watching you talk about it, And that was a very good, what you call that, overlay? What you call that when you're watching a video and talking about it?
You said an overlay? It's a reaction.
A what? A reaction?
A reaction.
All right. So your reaction was very good. You were very intrigued. I liked how you mentioned that she had a lot of sex appeal. That wow, Nikki could draw in any man. Your facial reaction, you laughing, giggling.
Yo, ma!
It was great. So she was amused. So I cannot believe. Did you screenshot it and send it to me?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, my son. Oh my God, I can't.
But come on, we've been doing this though. Like we've been doing this. Like it's not the first time like the Queen has this on it. She retweeted my.
No. Because when you did the video with her and Lil Durk, the one that she and Lil Durk did, and you was all dancing all slow and grinding and whining.
Okay. All right.
You remember? And she posted it on Twitter, and I have it in my vault. So I need this one now in my.
Yeah,
vault.
I just sent it to your phone.
You did?
Yes.
I didn't see no notification.
Huh?
I didn't see any notification.
Go check it. It's in your messages.
Okay, it better be.
Yeah. So the Queen, the Queen. So I basically know her now. Nikki. I basically know Nikki. She know I'm a barb. I'm a big barb. I'm a big fan. Love the content.
Yeah. So guess what? I had to put somebody in their place about that. You ready, Kai? So the first one that she had do with Lil Durk. So I'm always posting Nicki Minaj. So here was somebody go and tell me, you always posting Nicki Minaj. Nicki Minaj don't even know who you are. No, wait. I said she mightn't know who I am, but she know who my son is.
Yeah. I'm up now. You know what I'm saying? Come on, ma. Come on. Talk to them.
Mama said it gets dirty. Indeed. You know what I'm saying? She don't know who I is, but guess what, baby? She know who my son is.
My son, you fucking fucker.
No, you going too far. You cracker.
Yo! Stop! Wait, whoa. Okay, you like crackers. Okay, bye. Bye. Yo. Oh my fucking God. She like graham crackers. She